this is old, but it may give some ideas, including simple tones, a black flowy top, beige pants. I wore socks to create some dimension, but also to make use of these otherwise short pants, and then just some simple black ballerinas. I added a jacket just to create some interest and some layers in the outfit, and also because it's cold. So this, just going out to a friend's house. This is the top. It's a bit of a asymmetrical. And then just this jacket again because it's warm. My sister's skirt and just these. We finally got this working. A bit late today, I had a physio appointment, but this is my outfit. I think Zara top, Zara pants, really old H&M socks, ASOS shoes, and ASOS coat. It's like that YouTube video.
Except that one goes for 12 hours.
It's so foggy, but look at the drop. The little ones. Hello. How are you? Hello. Bye. Oh, okay. So sorry. Today we're planting the Japanese boxes and the Japanese maple. She's looking really small. Just at Bunnings. So we're just getting ready to stain the top. Probably going to stain the top today and then paint the legs maybe tomorrow, who knows. But yeah, it actually turned out quite well. It's quite nice and smooth. It's my outfit today. Vintage Miu Miu, vintage trench tote that I'm carrying around, Uniqlo jumper, and my grandma Nonna's vintage earrings.
Sì.
Maybe do it outside of the...
Altijd opera toch gaan staccatas.
Ne?
Yes, they gaan put in the closet.
I haven't done one of these videos for a while, but this is all vintage. I bought this one, but this is trenches, my auntie's, and top is also, and then shoes, ASOS.
huge and then eggs and eggs and eggs and then it's drying off when it was flatter than this.
Finally get to wear these shoes. Going for ballet outfit. This is my outfit. Made these yesterday. Homemade taroli, oh my gosh. So I got back from having lunch with the girls and we just went, we were meant to go look at furniture, but then there happened to be some secondhand clothes and I bought this shirt. It's like a silk shirt, so it's only $20 and it's like Thai silk, so it's quite nice. And yeah, by the time we got to the furniture store, it was closed. Now making red sauce, tomato-based sauce, because we're having ravioli and watching the brown tonight, which I'm very excited about. Sauce. Just some updates. We've got the curtains in finally. And we finally, I don't know if we've got the handles. The drawers still don't close the best, but it looks better than before. Sorry, this is my study mess, so I'm just going to show the two new additions, which is the light and the curtain. And we've got this nice sheer in here. Just the fan. Yeah, it's looking good. We still need wall lights, but can't find any. And we've got the bedroom as well. And we had to, because we've got this little seat here, which I still want to get like a little lilac, like to match the quilt, a lilac little cushion or something. Yeah, we had to specifically got it cut around, so looks good. It's a bit weird, but it got cold and started raining, so I added this jacket. Yeah, this is a similar outfit to the one I wore earlier in the month, and again I'm wearing these pants with socks. This time they're white frilled ones, and this red vintage jumper. Vintage, the pants are vintage as well. Vintage sunglasses, and the jacket is old ASOS and the bag is old Zara. And I think these shoes are ASOS, but everything here is pretty old. This is one of my favourite outfits. I don't know why, I think I just love the colours, but it's a great one to wear in transitional weather, spring or autumn, because it's got so many layers. So there's a long sleeve top under there, it's cropped, so it's not so warm, and then a really light shirt, and then I've got the jacket, of course, that I'm holding. Everything here is really old, and I'm just trying to rewear it, to be honest. I still really like the pattern of this dress, but it is a little bit short, so again I added socks just to kind of bridge the gap. So I have worn this dress so many times now. It's so versatile. It was actually my sister's bridesmaid's dress for my sister's wedding. And yeah, because it's a linen fabric, it can be dressed down. I wore this to a christening with a blazer on top. I just love dressing for spring. This is another outfit with lots of layers to shed during the day. I find overshirts such a great way to wear your spaghetti strap items. I loved this outfit so much, I pretty much wore this again the next day, except I took off the overshirt and wore heels, and I wore this to the ceremony of a wedding. I think cardigans are a great staple for in between weather, and I was obviously loving them this season. I tend to wear cardigans at the start of the spring season, and then as it gets progressively warmer, I then switch more to like overshirts. I guess it really depends on the kind of work you do and if you sit in an office, because in an office they blast the aircon in Australia. I'm not sure if that's the same everywhere else, but it is freezing, and so sometimes it's kind of needed to have a cardigan as well.